Hello everybody, this is Sapna Agarwal. I'm from India. In India, I reside in New Delhi. Presently, I'm working in University of Delhi as an assistant professor and teaching health and physical sciences in Department of Education. I have done my bachelor and master degree in physical education with my area of specialization as swimming. I'm very much thankful to ICSC MIS for accepting my abstract for this conference and giving me an opportunity to come over there and be a part of this excellent event. I'm looking forward to just learn so much from this event. Um, as far as my research interest is concerned, I particularly do research in the area of sports psychology and to be more specific in personality psychology. I have done my diploma in handwriting analysis from USA, California. I'm also a specialized certified handwriting analyst and I'm doing a lot of research in India on this particular thing and I would like this particular and I'm trying to understand that what kind of researches are going on in personality analysis of athletes and why handwriting analysis cannot be accepted as a standard method of knowing personality of athletes. So once I'm there, I'm looking forward to get your suggestions and to discuss about this particular thing because we need to know our athletes to have a better sports and athletic environment in this world and especially in India because as far as India is concerned, we need to develop a lot more to have some excellence in sports. So we'll be joining you in July.